In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use a redeem or referral code on Tesla app. Tap on the Tesla app icon on your phone to open the app. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the menu icon. From the menu, select Refer and Earn option. This will take you to the section where you can view your credit balance and available benefits. Browse through the list of available benefits that you can redeem with your credits. Each benefit will display the number of credits needed to claim it. And also there where you can find the field to enter your redeem or referral code. Enter the code on the benefits detail page and tap Redeem button. Provide your shipping address in the benefits requires and check your remaining credit balance after selecting the benefit. And that's it, guys. Finally, tap Redeem credits to confirm and claim your benefit. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.